Hello, my name is Mike. I am a grateful recovering alcoholic. This is my story and is one of many. So this is my story. I'm a mechanic by trade, and my life, I had an average life and a lot of things were good. And I would say about 10 years ago, I started drinking casually, and then casually turned into more, and then that turned into drinking every day for no reason, mostly after work. Then that turned into drinking all the time, as in I had alcohol in my systems at all time. I was not drunk all the time, but I was always maintaining a level, they call it tight, and that's what I was doing. Then it became absolutely unmanageable. I didn't lose my job, I didn't lose my wife, I didn't lose my kids, I didn't lose my license, I lost me. That is the hardest part. I was one drink away from losing everything. Yes, there were people in my life that said, you better do something about it, but I thought I could do it on my own multiple times. All ended in failure. The best thing that I ever did was have 5 police in my driveway. I was passed out in my truck. Went to the hospital at a .43 alcohol level. That's near death. That was the day that I decided I'm done with this. I came through Heartland. I had a few bumps in my road like most people do, and it came down to the day of 6/22/2019, my daughter's graduation party, where I was passed out on the floor at noon with 100 people coming over. That's the day I broke her heart. That's the day I put a hole in my heart. That's the day that I surrendered, was 6/23/2019. All the tools that I learned from Heartland, all the people here want you to succeed in your sobriety, and they go to many lengths to do that for you. Since that day, I have become an active member with Heartland alumni. I have become an active member in Alcoholics Anonymous, because there's always has to be a contingency plan after you walk out the doors from this place. They will stay connected with you if you want to stay connected with them. There's service work to be done. Service work is a key to sobriety, and staying connected to people is a key to sobriety. I was lucky enough to find Heartland just about 4 years ago. I came through these doors, and these people accepted me with open arms. This place has been nothing but a miracle for me. There's a reason that there is a word heart in Heartland, because they really care from the heart. They care about you, they care about your sobriety. If you think you have a problem with alcohol, drugs, or any kind of issues in your life, this place can help you. But you have to want to be helped. You have to put in the work, and they will be here for you. I'm grateful to be a part of the Heartland alumni, which is called the Heartland Heartbeats, because I want to give back everything that was given to me. If you are struggling with anything, you have to give yourself at least to try to do something better for your life, because addiction is an addiction is an addiction. Addiction is giving up everything for one thing, and recovery is giving up one thing for everything. And if I would have thought 3.5 years ago the life I would have today would be what it is, I would have never ever believed it. Life can be extremely great if you can ask for help and let people try to help you. But the one thing that I have learned from this place is these people really, really care. There are a lot of places that you might be a number, you might be a payment, I don't care how you want to call it, they really care. And that's why I am still connected to this place after 3.5 years, because this is what I want to do. Other people can get what I have, and many others that have come through here. It's just a phenomenal feeling to know that you are not addicted to something that is trying to kill you every day. And there is a way out. And all you have to do is accept that you have a problem and do something about it.